Hello friends, good morning. This is Dr. Janardhan Pawar from TC College Baramati. As we are going through different types of research and we have seen so many types of research so far, and I'm going to repeat whatever types we have seen so far. Those types are: we have seen descriptive research, after that we have seen exploratory research, we have seen predictive research, and so on. In today's video we are going to see one more type of research, that is applied oblique action research. Friends, I will tell you the concept of applied oblique action research. Name reflects everything. As when we look at the name of this type of research, that is applied oblique action research. Applied means what? Which is applicable. If we go for any sort of research, that will be applicable for the any field, or that will be applicable to, or that is there is a use of that sort of research in the society. If you take an example of today's situation, now we all are facing COVID-19 situation, and that kind of situation is called as what? Pandemic situation. In this pandemic situation, if somebody goes for a research, and if that research is applicable to solve a problem of this pandemic, it becomes applied research. So friends, applied research is nothing but what? If you want to find a solution for a current problem or immediate problem, that will become a applied research, or an applied research. Or it is also called as what? Action research. Action research means what? When we go for any sort of action which will resolve the problem of current situation, it becomes action oblique applied research. So this is the concept of applied research. One more thing that we can add in this concept of applied oblique action research: when this kind of research is done, it will be there to find out a solution of current social or political trend. See, for example, there is one current political trend, and if you want to find a solution for that particular situation, it becomes applied or action research. So at the beginning only I have told you, applied oblique action research is nothing but what? A solution, to find out a solution for a current situation, and this is what I have given an example of COVID-19. So see, not only this is done in natural sciences, it is also done in social sciences also. So therefore there are different types of subtypes which can be covered under the category of applied oblique action research. So friends, there are different types of subcategories of action oblique applied research, and those are, for example, I have sorted down only two categories of applied oblique action research, and those are marketing research and another one is evaluation research. If you look at the research that we conduct under the category of marketing research, we go for different types of research in the field of marketing. We go for launching of product, we go for different types of marketing related research. Those are the categories that we write under the category of applied research. And one more thing that I'm going to tell you about evaluation research, how the evaluation is taken place. Basically this kind of research is applicable under this category called applied oblique action research. So here some actions are required which are also applicable in the field of today's scenario. So friends, as far as this applied research is concerned, what you people have to remember, you people have to remember only few things and only one thing. And if you remember that, definitely you will understand of word applied oblique action research. So in short term, or in other words, I can tell you, this applied research or action research is a solution for a current situation. When you try to find out a solution for a current situation or for a present situation, it becomes applied oblique action research. So action is required to find out a solution, and this is what this kind of research is named as applied oblique action research. I hope you people have understood the concept of applied oblique action research in a detailed manner. So for this, only this much for this applied oblique action research. For next type of research, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.